Selling your home in 2026, what worked a few years ago will cost you money today.
This market is more balanced, and buyers are smarter and more selective.
Overpricing no longer tests the market. It kills momentum.
Buyers compare everything: active listings, price drops, and recent sales.
That's why pricing right from day one is more important than ever.
Condition also matters. Homes that are clean, staged, and move-in ready sell faster and for more money.
And marketing is critical. MLS alone is not enough in 2026.
Professional photos, videos, and floor plans are strong online exposure create demand.
And the first 2 weeks on the market are the most important.
That's when serious buyers are watching and the best offers come in.
And remember, the highest offer isn't always the best offer.
Terms, timing, and flexibility can make or break a deal.
So if you're selling in 2026, don't guess. Have a plan.
Follow us for smart real estate advice in Queens.